Let's say you park your car at IKEA and you get damage similar to this. I have DIY ideas that will help take your home repair to the next level. Using ingenious tips that work extremely well, I will show you how I get damage from looking like this to this. Hello, I am Ken, your host, the man that rips on steel. Dentcraft sent out a complimentary shipment of new rods and tips. I need a vehicle to try these tools out, and this happened to be the candidate. The damage was caused by a customer backing out and hitting a column in a garage. The dent wraps 20 inches around the wheel arch. Now it's time to enter the tool matrix. This clever design extension for the tool screws into both sides of the handle. Do you prefer the red or the blue tip? How about both? Let's start this repair. First, I need tool access, opening up the underside by pushing back the liner, using sleight of hand to get some metal moving. Man, I made that look easy. If you're new to my channel, mention in the comments that you're a new subscriber and I will personally respond. Now we are left with the most difficult part. Running the tip through the access point, I'm going to leverage the tool off the tire. I'm roughing this dent out by bringing up all the low areas. My goal here is to restore the overall shape. These tool tips are working so well removing the damage, it is most satisfying to watch. There is always space or room in your home garage to do repairs similar to this. I pushed up most of the dent in the center. The next set of tools I'll be using, 2 hammers. I'm spreading out the steel by knocking down high areas around the dent without damaging the paint. Simultaneously using 2 hammers. One hammer I'm gliding, the other I'm swinging without missing. I will do a level change with my eye so I can see the whole panel with the light. My goal here is to get the high areas flat with the rest of the panel. It's time for round 2 with the PDR tools on the underside of the panel. Fine tuning with precision location with the tool tip. For more tool tips and hacks that work extremely well, click on my channel. The damage is coming out smoothly. Before I show you the final result, if you're wanting training on these tools, message me in the link down below. Here is the final results. You can see the remaining scuff marks in the clear coat from scraping the side of the garage. I will polish them out. let's get rid of those scratches in the clear coat. I plugged in my battery into my polisher, turned on the power by pulling the trigger. I want to thank Dent for these amazing tools. These tool tips will help you take your repairs to the next level. Are you wanting to meet the man that rips on steel? I do have beginner courses. Message me in the link down below. We all get dents in our vehicles. My channel has the answer. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next YouTube video.